Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and I'm excited because one of my influencer faves transitioned to now girl boss has launched a brand. So of course I had to support it. So this is a video of me testing it out. If you want to know who that is, like you didn't read the title and see the thumbnail and see what the stuff actually is, then let's go. Now, if you guys don't follow her, or you do, but you somehow missed this announcement, Aaliyah J is a very popular content creator here on YouTube and Instagram who just recently launched a swimwear line. Shout out to the influencer faves out there who were doing things outside of makeup. No shade to the ones who are, but I just think it's cool that people are using the followings that they've built to, you know, venture off into other interests that they have, like Desi with the sunglasses, Jackie with candles, Aaliyah with this swimwear. So she launched it. I missed the first launch. and then I missed like part of the restock of that. So I only have two swimsuits here, but I bought two. So I'm going to try them on. Well, I already tried them on, but I'm going to tell you guys and show you me trying them on and my thoughts on the pieces. I believe everything is $15. Like, I think, you know, because they're sold, you can get them separately, except for one that I think has to be sold all together. But you know, when it comes to swimsuits, you can be a small on top, a medium on bottom, so you can buy them separately. And I believe every piece is like $15, which to me is an affordable swimsuit. I know, like, right now everyone's going crazy with the Sheins and the Romwees and stuff like that, where you can get like a two-piece for $14. But I think given some places, you know, just one piece of a set can be $30 to $40. I think getting a whole suit for $30 is affordable. Let's see, what are we gonna talk about first? Let's talk about this one first, because I saw it on Aaliyah J and I was like, I need to have it. And then I saw it in general and I needed to have it because it's green. What is this one called? This is the Rave On. This is a three-piece actually. So these are the bottoms. Very cheeky. Very cheeky. They're that bottoms where, you know, like it comes up high on your waist. The strings here, like, it, mind you, affordable, but like it still feels like nice quality type stuff. The prints, of course, the color. I mean, like, y'all knew this was going to be for me. But what I need to let you know about this is cheeky. If you're looking for something that's going to cover you up and you don't like doing the most, especially with that area down there, this is not for you. Especially like the higher you go up, you know how people bring the sides of their bottoms like all the way, especially if you keep doing that, like, you gonna show something, okay? And the top isn't that far off on how revealing it is. You know, I saw it on her and I was like, okay, I can still do this. And I got it in person. I was like, oh, them triangles tiny. However, I mean, I'm still here for it. You probably don't want to play volleyball in this, but I am definitely still here for the top as well. Oh, I believe everything was a small, right? Yes, small? Yes. Yeah, everything should be in a small. And then it comes with a like cover up knotted matching top as well. This is adorable. I probably wouldn't wear this long just because, like, I would get irritated in this fabric in general. Like, that's why I don't wear it in general. So if I was wearing this as a cover up, like, I probably would not be covered up very long. But I had to get it, one, because it's cute, and two, so I can complete the entire set. And then the second set I got is Dare Me. Again, another two-piece. Like, there's only one piece, and I think even the one piece can technically be a two-piece. It's that Wildcat one, which keeps going out of stock. So this is the bottom. Not as cheeky as the other one, but, you know, again, not one that you would get if you are looking for the most material on your bottom area. This one, I mean, I guess you could still do the whole, you know, bringing the bottoms up on your waist part, but I probably would not feel the most comfortable with the cut of these bottoms. I like these. The only thing that is annoying, I guess you could say, is that it has this white lining, and when you put it on, like, depending on how it sits on your bottom, sometimes how you move, you can see the lining peeking out. But I mean, like, you'll get over that. Now let me tell you about the top of this suit. And I tell y'all, I was confused. Like, you see it in the picture and you see that it's supposed to be worn as that, like, you know, over one shoulder, just, you know, carry the one over. But for some reason, like, when I got it, I thought it wasn't hooked right and I had to do it myself. So I unhooked it to move it that way, but then it drew the straps in the back, like, all the way up. So it was like, oh no, it came like how you're supposed to put it on, Shanice. I'm all in your face right now, but I just wanted to pop in and say that I was correct. You can take the one strap over and bring it to the other side so that you can wear this how it looks in the picture. This is why you don't question yourself when you think that you're right, because you most likely are right. So, you know, it took me a second to figure it out, but once I did, again, it's still cute. Love this color on my skin tone. So I don't have any complaints about either one that I bought. And yeah, like I said, I only had 2 to try on. I keep going back and forth on if I want this pink one. I like it, especially the way that she wore it when she posted on her Instagram, you know, before we even knew that she was wearing her own swimwear. I want it, and then I don't. Then I think the color would be fire on me, but then I'm like, you know, you figure it out how you want to tie it around yourself. Like, do you want to do that? I will most likely end up getting that one as well. But yeah, listen, I have a new place to buy a swimwear. Where I'm gonna wear it to anytime soon, I don't know. Okay, ain't nobody going to a beach even out here. So, but at least I know where I can get it, and at least I'll be stocked up by the time I find somewhere to wear it. So that is it for this video. You know, I was not playing with the title, just trying it out, letting you know what it is, giving some of my thoughts, and wrapping it up then. So I hope seeing me try on these sets have helped, giving you any of the information on the company, like pricing and whatnot, has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking them out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.